So we are discussing the Voyager admin panel. So we have already discussed about how to install your application to your system, and after that how to configure, and then we have discussed about some features like media manager, menu builder, database manager, and also have discussed the braid builder also. So today we're going to create some important thing, that is how to create relations with the braid. So if you just go inside the products, so last we have created a product and we have added this product. If we just want to add some relationship with another table, so this is the simple table and this record is coming through a simple table. But if I want to add some relations like has many, belong to one, belong to many, so how we can add this, right? So if you just go inside the database again and just go here inside the product and edit braid. So if you just go into the down section, and here we can see the create relation. So here I want to add user ID. How can I do this? So just go to the database again and I want to edit this product. So if you just create and click on edit, so we have an option. So already we have created these things, and I want to add a new column, that is suppose user ID. Okay, and always it will be the integer, that is it is the ID field, and update the table. Okay, so user ID is added. So the created product table is successfully updated. So product table added a new field, that is user ID. And now just go to the products and edit braid, and we have an option to create a relationship. So before that I just want to move the user ID to the top section. So in this way we can move, so just drag this section and move after the ID, so it will looks good. And we need to create a relation. Click on the create a relation section, and here you can see the product, and this is the has one relation. So I want to add the belongs to relation. So how can I do this? That is belongs to, and here just add the user. So I want to relate these things with the user. So this is the user, so I will display the username here and username, then the model name. So what is my model name? So if you just go here and inside the app, just go here, this is the product, that is the model name. So just copy the namespace, so just copy this and write here app slash models slash name of the model, that is product, right? So this is added, and which column from the product is used to reference the user? So this is the user ID. So just I have added. Okay, so all are okay, and I want to display the user name. So we can change from here. So I want to fetch, actually this is the select. Okay, so I want to fetch the name from the user ID and store the ID, that is ID. Okay, so all are done. So now add new relations. Okay, so relation section is done. Now just go to the product section again and click on edit, and you will get a drop down, that is the users drop down. Okay, so all the user list will appear here. Sorry, this is laptop. Why this is laptop? So just go inside this tools again and let's check whether my relations is correctly configured or not. So just go edit braid and just go to the relationships again and just edit this, open relationship details. So sorry, here's the users and the name of the model is user. Okay, so actually the relationship was not correct, that's the reason it was a problem. So let's submit this, and now just go the product again and let's edit this. So here inside the user will get the admin. Actually in the user table we have only one records, that is admin. So if we just check here the users table, we have only record admin. So let's add this admin. Okay, so save this. So we'll see the admin appear. So if you just create another user, so suppose create add new and suppose new user, and the email is new underscore user at the rate email.com and password, suppose simply take this password, and default role I want to set this is the admin also, and additional roles I don't want to add this, and local SEN. okay, so all are set. And now just go inside the products again, and if you just click on the edit, we can see there inside the drop down we have a two option, that is admin and new user. So let's select this and click on save. So we are getting the new user, right? So in this way we can create relationships inside the Voyager package. Hope you like this video, and if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. So next day we're going to discuss about the settings part of this Voyager. So we'll discuss about these things, so how you can setting and how we can customize with our front end. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.